In this lesson, we want to teach you how to take a screenshot by selecting the desired area. But before starting, for the convenience of our eyes, it is better to blacken the software environment. To do this, open the snagit software. Here you can enter editor software. In the editor software, edit menu, then editor preferences, and in a snagit theme section, set it to dark. Okay, and it's very better for me. Okay, we're going back to the main software. In image section, we want to capture an image in a selection which is in the region mode by default. This means that we can take a capture from any area we want by clicking and dragging, like this. Very easy. Back in the software, the gear symbol means this part has settings. By clicking on the gear, there are two options. First, select region and the capture means you can select area after click the capture button, as usual. That is default, I mean. The second case is fixed region. We have to specify an exact area before capturing, that the software takes exactly the same area after hitting the capture button. Here you can set the width and height of the area, or you can by clicking the selection region. First, select, click and drag area once. Okay. Like software, and it stays in the software memory, and you can capture it every time you hit the capture button, and exactly this it captures exactly the same size that you set. Okay, going back to the gear setting, in the set position section, we can also specify the starting point of this area, which is 0 and 0, means at the top left of the screen. Here. And then you hit the capture, and as you see, it's here. Okay, going back to the main software. In all cases, there are several main options here. Preview and editor means that whenever, everywhere the capture is done, it opens the editor window. It's by default, and so that you can edit or save your file, which must be always be active. Copy to, going back, and copy to clipboard means every capture is that is done, stored in the short memory of the system. And for example, you can easily paste inside any place, such a Word software. If the capture cursor is enabled, the mouse display is inside the image, as you can see. Okay. The delay we will teach you in the next lesson. It delays the capture. And you can also change the capture button by button shortcut by clicking on it. You can specify any shortcut that you want. That is better stay in a print screen mode. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.